Developing a growth mindset is like nurturing a plant. It requires patience, care, and the right environment to thrive. Imagine two gardeners, each with a plot of land. One believes that the quality of their soil is fixed. If a plant doesn't grow, they assume it's because the soil can't support it. This is the fixed mindset. The other gardener believes that with the right care and nutrients, any soil can be improved and any plant can flourish. This is the growth mindset. In her groundbreaking book, Mindset, Dr. Carol Dweck explores the concept of two mindsets, fixed and growth. Those with a growth mindset believe abilities can be developed through effort, while those with a fixed mindset view them as innate and unchangeable. Dweck's work highlights the power of our mindset in shaping our success and approach to challenges. Here are more examples from everyday life that illustrate the difference between a growth mindset and a fixed mindset. 1. Dealing with failure. Fixed mindset. You fail a test and think, I'm not smart enough, and lose motivation to study. Growth mindset. You fail a test, analyze what went wrong, and create a study plan to do better next time. Keep spirit alive. 2. Handling change. Fixed mindset. You resist change because it's uncomfortable and you fear you won't adapt well. Growth mindset. You embrace change as a chance to learn new things and adapt to new situations. 3. Learning to cook. Fixed mindset. Once you burn the food and think, I'm terrible at cooking, and avoid trying again. Growth mindset. You burn the food but decide to look up tips and try different recipes until you get it right. 4. Responding to criticism. Fixed mindset. When given feedback, you feel personally attacked and become defensive. Growth mindset. You view feedback as constructive and use it to make positive changes, but I'm getting better every day. If I keep practicing, I'll definitely reach my goals. 5. Taking on a new project at work. Fixed mindset. You're hesitant to volunteer for a new project because you doubt your ability to learn new skills. Growth mindset. You volunteer for the project, eager to learn and grow, even if it means stepping out of your comfort zone. 6. Learn new skills. Fixed mindset. You are facing the same language challenge, might say, I'm just not good at languages, I guess I should give up. Growth mindset. You are struggling to learn a new language, might say, this is hard, but I will learn it with effort and dedication. These examples show how a growth mindset can transform challenges into opportunities for learning and self-improvement. It's about shifting your perspective to see the potential for growth in every situation. Here are 15 practical ways to encourage growth mindset in children. 1. Focus on the journey, not the destination. Applaud the effort your child puts into learning, not just the final grade or score. Celebrate their aha moments and their dedication to improvement. 2. Be their growth mindset role model. Children are amazing imitators. Show them how you approach challenges with a positive attitude. Let them see you embrace new things and learn from your mistakes. 3. Brains get stronger, just like muscles. Explain that the brain is like a muscle that gets fitter with exercise. Learning new things is like giving their brain a workout, making it stronger and smarter. 4. The power of yet. Swap phrases like, I can't do this, but I can't do this yet. This small shift emphasizes that challenges are opportunities to learn and grow. 5. Turn mistakes into stepping stones. Talk openly about mistakes and what valuable lessons they teach. Let your child know that setbacks are a normal part of the learning process, and everyone makes them. 6. Recognize and celebrate. Recognize and celebrate your child's effort and perseverance, even if the outcome isn't perfect. This reinforces the message that hard work and dedication are key to success. 7. Fuel their curiosity. Ask open-ended questions that encourage critical thinking and exploration. Curiosity is the spark that ignites a love for learning. 8. Stretch them a little. Provide your child with tasks that are slightly beyond their current abilities. This gentle nudge encourages them to step outside their comfort zone and grow. 9. Empower their choices. When children have a say in their learning, they become more engaged and motivated. Offer choices that allow them to take ownership of their education. 10. Real-life inspiration. Share stories of successful people who achieved greatness through hard work and perseverance, not just natural talent. 11. Challenges are our friends. Just like lifting weights builds muscle, tackling challenges strengthens our skills. Don't shy away from difficult tasks. They're opportunities to learn and grow. 12. Setbacks don't mean game over. When a plant wilts, we don't throw it away. We try to understand the problem and fix it. Teach your child to view setbacks the same way, as opportunities to learn and find solutions. 13. Effort is the secret sauce. Watering a plant helps it flourish. Similarly, putting consistent effort into developing skills and interests leads to improvement over time. 14. Feedback is a gift. Encourage your child to listen to constructive criticism and use it to learn and grow. 15. Celebrate together. Celebrate others' victory. Their success shows what's possible and motivates everyone to keep striving for their own goals.